my respected teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, great morning.
Good morning.
I am Amit from 8th grade. Today I am standing in front of you mastering concept. Today I am mastering concept topic is candle flame. Now start. Vortex part. Second is modulatory part, and third is restore. This is a candle wax. Outer zone of complete combustion blue, middle zone of particle combustion yellow, and innermost zone of combustion wax vapors black. Thank you. Have a nice day.